Myself Feroz Khan, and today we are organizing an audition for Fista Model in 2021. And here we are expecting around 60 contestants, and we have a well-known judges coming over here. And I have my best team like Lazarus and Anjali with me. So hoping for a great event, and it's a hunt where all the new models are given a chance to show their talent and get a representation in the fashion industry. 9 Prime TV channel for covering our event, and I'm very thankful to them. Thank you. We cover a lot of events. It's not only about Fista fashion show. We even organize makeup seminars. We even organize fashion weeks. We also even organize different kind of sports activities under Fista Model Hunt. And it's our great pleasure to have crowd over here. I think there are a number of people, and it's a great pleasure. Again, I thank 9 Prime channel for coming up and covering my event. Thank you so much.
Applause, please.
Internet. I'm working because that is my career, but I'm passionate about modeling, so I want to showcase my talent here. So I'm here.
I just handle my business Timber Mart.
My name is Shoaib. This is my first audition.
Good afternoon everyone, myself Arun. I'm from Secunderabad. My hobbies are playing cricket and listening music.
Hello guys, I'm Priyank, and I'm just for a hobby. I'm like doing this modeling, like seeing all others and inspired by them.
Good afternoon judges, myself Yashwant, my age is 22, my height is 5'10", I am from Karimnagar. This is my first show. I'm really excited and a bit tense also.
गुड आफ्टरनून मैम, मेरा नाम प्रवीण है। मैं स्टूडेंट हूँ और मेरे को फ़ोटोग्राफी और एडिटिंग बहुत पसंद है।
मेरा नाम शेख आसिफ है, मैं पेदापल्ली डिस्ट्रिक्ट से हूँ।
और कुछ शेख आसिफ बोलना चाह रहे हैं आप? राइडिंग बाइक्स व्हीली मारते क्या?
व्हीली मार।
हाँ, गिरे कभी?
नहीं, एक दो बार गिर गए।
एक दो बार गिरे।
Pedapalli, 17 years old.
हार्ड वर्क एंड ओबीडियंट और राइडिंग बाइक्स, प्लेइंग विथ फायर लिखे आप?
फ्री फायर.
फ्री फायर कह रहा हूँ
गेम.
अच्छा गेम है, मैं आग से खेलते समझा.
My name is Sai Sudesh, and I am born and brought up in Hyderabad. I just discontinued my degree. I just working in the job for past from 3 years for night shift for US process, and my hobbies for like swimming. Mostly I want to become like actor. Thank you.
I'm from Machilipatnam, and I'm pretty excited today cause this is my first RAM show, and I feel some sickness also. Okay, done. And fashion field is my passion. Madly passionate about this.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Mohammad Musharraf Anwar. I am an entrepreneur, managing director of Arman Constructions and Real Estate. This is my first time. I came, my friends instigated me because of my height. Everyone forced to once come for a modeling. I tried for the first time. Thank you.
Hello everybody, my name is Prerna, digital marketing analyst. I work as an integrated planner for Miss Dior, and my hobbies are traveling and reading music.
Hello, good afternoon judges. My name is Venkat. As a professional, I work as a quality analyst, and I'm passionate towards modeling, and my goal is to become a fitness model or a fashion model.
Husna Nazneen. Basically, there are many things I can share as my passion, hobbies, and everything, but I don't want to waste my judges' time and as well my friends' time. So, modeling was not my option, but all thanks to Feroz. He literally said that, why don't you try when you have such good height, personality, and he gave me this opportunity. And I'm looking forward for more.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. This is Harika. I'm a fitness trainer cum architect. I've been in this career since almost 4 years. I'm training couple of Tollywood stars too. So yeah, I came here because when I start my studio, I want to be my role model. Like I want to be on the posters, not to go to any other model. And yeah, pursuing about career, yeah, I'm a pet lover too. I have 2 retriever dogs at home. And yeah, very friendly with everyone.
This is my 6th audition, I think so. मेरा नाम लोकेश शर्मा है. बेसिकली मैं दिल्ली से बिलोंग करता हूँ और यहाँ पे सेटल्ड है. मतलब सेटल नहीं, कभी भी चेंज जा भी सकते हैं, आ भी सकते हैं.
And my passion is acting and modeling, and I am a background artist and background dancer in Telugu movies, and I love modeling like designer shoots and all, and I am a student also in degree first year. I am a medical student.
Very good afternoon to each and everyone and my lovely judges. Myself, Vai Siddiqui. Currently, I am pursuing my BCom IT from St. Joseph's Degree and PG College. Coming to my hobbies, I love cricket and I am a district player for Carom.
बॉडी बिल्डिंग में जाना डेप्थ आ गया ज़बरदस्त.
Yes, you should try for fitness. Okay, fitness model. Thank you.
चलिए ओके, ऑल द बेस्ट.
Good afternoon, judges. Hi, team. Hello, guys. Cheer up, guys. Why are you so dull? थोड़ा एक्टिवनेस लाओ यार. सब जन इतना अच्छा वॉक कर रहे हैं एंड ऑल, लेकिन आप लोग इतने स्लो एकदम एक साथ डल बैठे हुए, कुछ अच्छा नहीं लग रहा.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. I am Ibrahim Baghdadi. I am from Hyderabad and my profession is I am working for Saudi Airlines as a customer service officer.
My nickname and I'm Arp और I'm fond of you. आपकी बॉडी ना मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है उमर सर. 1 year back my weight is 98. After this and मैं शायरी बहुत अच्छी करती हूँ.
बच्चे जो खेलते ना,
मैं खेलना है तो आता हूँ कभी.
अरे बिल्कुल, बड़े लोग खेल रहे हैं, अब छोटे लोग तो नहीं खेल रहे हैं.
अच्छा, और कुछ बोलना चाह रहे हैं आप?
और कुछ डायलॉग्स बोल देंगे.
बोल दो किराक बात ना.
कुछ भी नहीं, जिंदगी पीछे रे बुलर कांटे, खिलाता कोई नहीं, सब अपने नसीब का खाता है.
कैन कैच इजी, मतलब बॉल फेंके तो कैच कर लेते.
नहीं, आप कुछ भी समझाओ मेरे को, मैं समझ सकता.
क्या बात है. अच्छा ठीक है.
मेरा नाम सैयद बशीर है. मैं मॉडलिंग करता हूँ. मॉडलिंग में बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टेड हूँ और फर्स्ट टाइम ऑडिशन दे रहा हूँ.
मैं कैसा बोलूँ आपकी क्वालिटीज. और हॉबीज, मॉडल, इन्फ्लुएंसर लिखा हुआ है.
उन्होंने क्या लिखे मेरे को नहीं मालूम.
उनसे पूछना क्या नंबर है उनका, बुला लेंगे, उनसे पूछेंगे.
Good afternoon, one and all. Present over here. My name is Vinay Reddy from the city of Pulse, Hyderabad. Well, I am 19 years old, pursuing my BBA and going to track racings. Well, I do make sure that I take all safety measurements. I'm also very adventurous and love to explore things. I'm pretty outgoing and friendly. I think that's one of my strengths.
And I'm from Hyderabad. I'm pursuing my degree from Anwar Ulum College.
Social media influencer.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And hobbies are acting and dancing.
Yes, sir.
You have two better qualities that are confidence and helping nature.
Yes, sir, definitely.
Okay.
Good afternoon, judges. Good afternoon, one and all. I'm Ganeshwar. I'm 19 years old. I'm pursuing degree